Hello, welcome to Pantado's class. My name is Teacher Rose. What is your name?
Beans, teacher.
Beans. Okay, Beans, how are you today?
I'm fine, teacher.
That's great. And how old are you?
17, teacher.
Oh, 17. Okay, Beans, did you go to school today?
Yes, teacher.
All right, that's great. So now let's start our lesson. Are you ready?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. Now let's continue to the next page. Okay, wait a minute. I want you to look at the picture. What can you see in the picture?
Animals.
Animals. Very good. And can you name one animal in the picture?
Lion.
Lion. Very good. Do you like lion, Beans?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. So why do you like lion?
Because lion is the king of jungle, teacher.
Yes, the lion is the king of the jungle and it is also very strong. Okay, now Beans, let's continue to the next page. Okay, in this lesson, we are going to learn vocabulary. Okay, are you ready for that?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so now let's start. Look at the picture and listen the sound.
Hippo,
Okay, can you say that?
Hippo.
Okay, one more time. Hippo.
Hippo.
Okay, listen one more.
hippo,
Okay, go.
Hippo.
Very good. Next, I want you to listen.
elephant,
Elephant.
Elephant. Good job. Next, the third animal.
zebra,
Zebra.
Zebra. Very good. Again, Beans, can you say the three animals in the picture? Say their names.
Hippo.
Hippo. Very good. Next,
Elephant.
elephant. Next,
Zebra.
zebra. Okay, now Beans, what can you say about the hippo?
A big hippo, teacher.
Yes, a big hippo or the hippo is big. Can you say that? The hippo is big.
The hippo is big.
Very good. And how about the elephant? What can you say about the elephant?
The elephant has big ears.
Very good again. And how about the zebra? What can you say about the zebra?
The zebra is walking, teacher.
Yes, the zebra is walking. And look at the zebra. What color is the zebra?
Black and white, teacher.
Black and white. Okay. Now, Beans, do you have any question here?
Nothing, teacher.
Okay. Now, let's move on to the next page. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, how about this one? Listen the sound.
giraffe,
Okay,
Giraffe.
giraffe. Okay, next.
lion,
Lion.
Okay, one more time. Lion.
Lion.
Okay, next.
tiger,
Tiger.
Tiger. Okay, and the next animal is
crocodile,
Crocodile.
okay, crocodile. Now, Beans, what are the animals can you see in the picture? Can you say their names again?
Giraffe.
Giraffe. Next.
Lion.
Lion. Next.
Tiger.
Tiger. And the fourth animal is
Crocodile.
crocodile. Now, Beans, in this picture or in these animals, what do you think is the most wrong? Wrong to. Okay, balik. Okay, Beans. We can see 4 animals in the picture. And what do you think is the most nasi gali na? Kanang si tawag gali anang kuandong? Fastest? Ay, anak na lang.
Pastes.
Oh, anak. Okay. All right. So Beans, in this picture, we can see 4 animals. And which do you think is the most scary animals? Or which do you think is the most scary animal in this picture?
Lion, teacher.
Yes, the lion. I agree with you. How about the tiger? Do you think it is scary?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. How about the crocodile?
It's also scary, teacher.
Yes, it is also scary. You say it again. Scary.
Scary.
Yes, very good. Now let's move on to the next page. All right. Wait a minute. Oh. Okay, this one. So we are done with this.
Crocodile.
Okay. So I want you to listen and write the name of, so here I want you to listen and write a name or a number. Okay, can you read this one?
Listen and write a name or a number.
Okay, very good. Next. And also write the animals you can see in the picture. Okay, so look at the picture. What animals can you see in the picture? Okay, kani bitaw dong, unahon ni mag-ingon ang monkey, then tiger, then crocodile, then elephant, then giraffe, then hippo. Okay, balik. Okay, so Beans, I want you to write the animals you can see in the picture. Okay, what animals you can see in the picture?
Monkeys, teacher.
Monkeys, very good. Can you spell the word monkeys?
Monkeys.
Okay, monkeys, very good. And what other animals can you see?
Tiger.
Tiger. How many tiger?
2 tigers, teacher.
Very good. So 2 tigers. And can you spell the word tigers?
Tigers.
Okay, so you say the letter again, G. T-I-G.
G.
Okay, very good. So now look at this. Tigers. Say it again. Tigers.
Tigers.
Okay, and what other animal can you see?
Crocodiles.
Crocodile. Okay, crocodile. Okay.
Ibalik sa monkeys. Ano explain yung guys mo? Kumana na eh.
Ay, okay ra ay. Ako rin ang editon. Ako rin i-crop. Okay, humanatas tiger. Okay, very good. Now, Beans, what other animal can you see in the picture?
Crocodile.
Crocodile. Okay, can you spell the word crocodile?
Croditile.
Okay, so a crocodile. Good job. Next, what other animal can you see?
Elephant.
Elephant. And please spell the word elephant.
Elephant.
Okay, so an elephant, All right, so it is this one. So you can see the spelling here. So I have write it here and you can read it as elephant. Say it again, elephant.
Elephant.
Yes, and what other animal can you see?
Giraffe.
Giraffe, okay. And the last animal?
Hippo.
Hippo, all right. So now, Beans, thank you so much. And let's continue to the next page. Okay. All right. So here I want you to listen and write a name or a number again. So you are going to listen and write the name or a number. So you are going to listen.
26A. How many pets? Look at the picture. Listen and write a name or a number. There are 2 examples.
So
Hello.
listen the example.
What's your name?
May Reed. You
Okay.
spell read R-E-A-D.
Okay.
Thank you. And how old are you, May?
I'm 10.
You're 10?
Yes, that's right.
Okay, so that is how you are
Can
going
you see
to
the answers?
answer.
Now you listen and write a name or a number. 1,
And are these your pets, May?
Yes, they are.
How many pets have you got?
Hmm?
I've got 18 pets.
Yeah.
18.
Yes.
So remember that. Number 2.
2,
I've got some birds, a cat, and a dog, too.
Wow. What's your dog's name?
Her name is Sue.
Mhm.
Sue. That's a nice name. Do you spell that S-U-E?
Yes.
Okay, so remember
3,
18 pets and Sue, the
I've
name
got
of the
some
dog.
pet mice, too.
How many mice do you have?
I've got 5 mice now.
5?
Yes, they've got very long tails.
Okay, so there are 5 mice. Next.
4,
And which is your favorite pet?
My favorite pet is my crocodile. His name's Mr. Big. You
Mr.
spell
Big.
that B-I-G.
Okay.
Say hello, Mr. Big.
Hello.
Okay. And
5,
And how old is your crocodile?
oh,
He's 14.
all right.
Sorry?
He's 14 now.
What does he eat?
He loves sausages.
All right, so the crocodile is already 14. All right, so now Beans, we are going to answer. Oh, sorry. Wait a minute. Okay, so now Beans, look at question number 1. Can you read question number 1?
How many pets has she got?
Okay. How many pets has she got? So, how many pets has May got?
18, teacher.
Okay, so she got 18 pets. Okay, and how about question number 2? What's her dog's name?
So, teacher.
Okay, Sue. And can you spell the word Sue?
S-U-E, teacher.
Okay, S-U-E. All right. And next, very good. Number 3 question, please read.
How many mice does she have?
Okay, how many mice does she have? Can you remember?
Yes, teacher. 5, teacher.
5. Oh, I'm sorry. 5. Very good. And How about the fourth question? Please read.
What's the name of your favorite pet?
Okay, what's the name of her favorite pet? Okay, what is the name of her favorite pet, Beans?
Mr. Big, teacher.
Mr. Big. Can you spell the word big?
B-I-J.
Okay, say it again. B-I-G.
B-I-J.
G.
G.
Okay, very good. Big. And how old is the crocodile?
14, teacher.
14. Good job, Beans. Okay, Beans, I am so happy and proud of you. You really did a very good job. And you have answered all the questions correctly. Okay, so now, Beans, let's move on to the next page. Okay, I want you to look and read. And you are going to write yes or no. You're going to look at the picture. Can you see the picture properly?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. Now, there is an example. Okay, I will read the example. So just listen. So you can see a goat on the man's t-shirt. So you look at the picture and it is yes. So yes, because in the picture there is a man and his t-shirt has a goat, right?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. And the next example is the door of the house is closed. Is that a yes or no?
No, teacher.
No, because look at the house. The door is
Open.
open. Great job. And now let's start question number 1. Please read.
A frog is sitting on the dog's head.
Okay, look at the picture. Tell me if it is yes or no. The frog or a frog is sitting on the dog's head. Yes or no?
No, teacher.
No. Okay, very good. And wait a minute. Correct. How about question number 2? Please read.
There are 2 giraffes in the window.
Okay, I want you to look at the picture and tell me if it is a yes or no. There are 2 giraffes in the window. Yes or no?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, very good. Good job. And how about the third question? Please read.
One cat is sleeping in the tree.
Look at the picture again. Tell me if it is a yes or no. One cat is sleeping in the tree. Yes or no?
No, teacher.
No. Okay, you are right. So the cats are not sleeping. Next, how about question number 4? Please read.
You can see a crocodile in the water.
Okay, is it a yes or no?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, the crocodile is in the water. And how about question number 5?
A bird is under the cow.
Is it a yes or no?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, very good. Good job. So thank you so much, Beans, and you have answered all the questions correctly. I am so happy and proud of you. Keep up the very good work. Okay, let's move on to the next page. Okay, here we are going to talk about animals. Okay, Beans, what is your favorite animal?
Lion, teacher.
Lion. Okay, so aside from lion, what other animals do you like?
Tiger.
Tiger. So you have told me that you like lion because it is a king of the jungle. And why do you also like tiger?
Because also the tiger is strong
Yes.
and smart,
Yes, very good. So,
a predator.
yes. Okay, because the tiger is also strong. Okay. Do you like strong animals? Are you not afraid?
I'm afraid, teacher, but I like strong animals.
Oh, that's great. I also like strong animals. All right. So now, Vince, what do you think is the most cute animals, or not strong, but it is cute?
Panda, teacher.
Panda. Oh, I think panda is strong, but it is also very cute. All right. So now, Beans, what is your favorite pet? You can take care inside the house. You can hug that pet. What kind of pet do you like?
Dog, teacher.
Dog. Wow. Why do you like dog?
Because dog is lovely animals.
Oh, so you think that dogs are lovely animals. Okay, can you say it again? Because dogs are lovely animals.
Because dog are lovely animals.
Okay, say it again. Because dogs are lovely animals.
Because dogs are lovely animals.
Very good. Good job. So now, Beans, let's continue to the next page. Okay. So now let's have here a question. Do you like drawing animals?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. What animals would you like to draw?
Birds, teacher.
Birds. Do you like bird?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So why do you like birds?
sa? What? Sa?
Why do you like birds? Katulad
Katabi.
naman tingay ka. Sige, sige, balik. Sige, balik.
Mas Jis, okay, siguro.
Okay, sige, sige,
Mas
balik.
Jis na gid eh.
Balik ko ha. Okay, so number 1. Do you like drawing animals?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so what animal do you like to draw?
Bird, teacher.
Bird. Okay, do you like bird?
Yes, teacher.
Why do you like bird?
Because bird is nice animals.
Yes, it is nice. And it can also fly. All right, next. Which animals can you draw? So you can draw birds. What else? What other animals you can draw?
Dog, teacher.
Dog. So you can draw birds and dogs. Okay, next. Do you like reading about animals?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, which ones? So which animal books or balik. So balik. Do you like reading about animals?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, which ones?
About animals in jungle, teacher.
Ah, you like to read about the animals in the jungle. Wow, that is very interesting, right?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Okay, next. So, do you like watching animals on TV?
Yes, teacher.
Wow, that's great. It seems like you are an animal lover. Okay. Are you an animal lover?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, that's great. Very good. And number 5, what's your favorite wild animal? Okay, I think I already know it. You like the lion, the tiger. Okay. And what other wild animal do you like?
Cheetah.
Cheetah. Oh, you really like those brave or scary animals. Okay, that's great. All right, now let's continue.
Goodbye, goodbye, see you again.
We are done. So we are done with our lesson, So we are going to sing the song. We are going to sing the goodbye song. Okay, so let us sing together with the sound, okay?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, ready? Okay, I want you to sing too.
Goodbye, goodbye, see you again.
Ikaw
Goodbye,
nagkanta na.
goodbye, see you, my friend.
Ikaw nagkanta na.
Goodbye, goodbye, I had fun.
Anya na ko
Pumunta ka balo na. Ikaw nagkanta na.
maminaw lang data. Maminaw lang ta. All right, so Beans, we are done with our lesson, and do you have any question from our lesson?
Nothing, teacher.
Okay, very good. So now let us sing the goodbye song, or let us just listen the goodbye song. Okay, listen.
Goodbye, goodbye, see. Goodbye, goodbye, see you again. Goodbye, goodbye, see you, my friends. Goodbye, goodbye, I had fun today. I had fun today. Stomp your feet, shake your body, stand still. Okay. Stomp your feet, turn left, turn right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Goodbye, goodbye, see you again. Goodbye, goodbye, see you, my friends. Goodbye, goodbye, I had fun today. I had fun today.
All right, so now Beans, I have fun today, and see you next time. All right, thank you so much, and I hope you've learned from our lesson. Okay, and see you next time. Goodbye.
Bye-bye, teacher.
Hoy, oh, mo na to.
Oh.
Then isa kang lingling ni kanta pa mo kanta ato
Marag siya ram siya tinikanta so na.
sa goodbye.
Abot na sa tikan. Oh,
Ana dito. Sige. Ako sang ning i-edit dayon mo ingon na pupunoy mo ugma og magbalik na punta. Ha?
oh.
Ah,
Yun lang ko.
sige. Bye.
Saan mo na eh?
Ako rang ikuan. Tara.